Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this bird feeder. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but for some things you need to know. First of all, on this bird feeder, it is all glass and all metal. So this part here is glass, this is a metal hanger, and this bottom part where the perch is, as well as the feeder holes, are metal as well. So very, very nice quality, very, very well made, very sturdy. This is a 25-ounce bird feeder as well. It carries like almost 10 more ounces than my next biggest hummingbird feeder, which is just a lot of bird feeder fluid. Don't have to refill this thing very often, guys. Pretty awesome. Down here you have 5 bird feeder holes for the hummingbirds to feed out of, and it's just very, very well made, guys. It's along with the bird feeder, guys, what I like to use is this electro nectar. It has electrolytes in it for the hummingbirds. Part of the reason I think that bird feeder works so well is this hummingbird food. This is what I've been using for the last few months, and it seems to attract hummingbirds better than what I used before. It is called Hummingbird Electro Nectar from Grete, and it has electrolytes specially formulated for hummingbirds, I guess, and maybe they like it a lot more. It seems to attract them quite well, or they seem to come back after trying it. So this is what I would recommend. Because my favorite thing about this has to be how well it attracts hummingbirds to your yard, watching them come to your yard, feed off of this, as well as just how well it looks, guys. This thing is a really nice decoration. It shimmers in the light because it's made of glass, and the metal pieces are really well made as well. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.